So guys, today our topic is about giving and asking directions. Of course, we travel to different cities, different countries, but we don't know the ways. We don't know how to ask the question, how to attract the attention. So in this video, we will learn how to ask and give direction. First of all, you need to attract the attention of someone, and you need to say, "Excuse me, could you please advise me the way of airport? Excuse me, if you don't mind, I want to just ask the way of bus station. Excuse me, I just want to go to a railway station. I just want to ask the way." So in the response, the teller will tell you how much is the way from here. For example, it's about 15 minutes from here, or it's about 10 minutes walk from here, or etc. So for example, let's take an example of a driver, and you need to advise him. How will you advise him? First of all, you'd say, not just go right, take a right. No, you need to tell him properly. For example, go straight on, then take a roundabout. After taking a roundabout, you'll see a 5-star hotel. Take a right from a 5-star hotel and enter the street. Go straight on, take a left, and then take a right. It will be in your left. So now I will call my friend Ayaan, and he will tell you some most useful phrases. Hi Ayaan.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine. Today I will tell you about phrases about how to give and how to ask about directions. So come on, let's start. First of all, if you are new in city, you want to ask the directions. What you will do? You have to say, "Excuse me. Excuse me, can you help me? Can you tell me the way of garden? Excuse me, can you please advise me the way of family mall? Excuse me, I am lost here. So can you please tell me the way of CN Tower? Excuse me, I am not around here. So can you tell me the way of narrow city?" So that's the phrases. Okay, if you have to give someone directions, how you will do? You have to tell him properly. So, for example, if someone asks from you, "Can you tell me the way of Mehdi Mall?" What you have to do? You have to tell him properly. Go straight on, take a left turn, then take a roundabout. Take a right turn and take a left turn. You will see a cinema. Cross the cinema and take a left turn. It's on your French. Okay.
Okay, now I will tell you where we can use the preposition of directions. For example, go past, go straight on. It's behind the bank. It's behind the office. It's opposite to the restaurant. So now we will have a conversation.
Hi. Excuse me, can you tell me the way of Mehdi Mall?
Yeah, my player. First of all, go straight on, then take a roundabout. After taking a roundabout, you'll see a supermarket. Take a left from the supermarket and go straight on and enter the street. Take a right from the street and it will be in your left.
Thank you very much.
My player.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so now let's move to a recap. Could you please advise me the way of airport? Or if you don't mind, I just want to ask the way of bus station. I just want to ask the way of railway station. Can you please tell me the way of railway station, etc. So these were the phrases, and there are more useful phrases, but I just tell you the common phrases. So bye and meet you. Bye.